Not sure which Oral-B IO toothbrush model you own? There are several reliable ways to identify your specific model. Let's explore the most effective methods. The easiest method is using the Oral-B app. When you connect your toothbrush via Bluetooth, the app automatically detects and displays your exact IO model number. Alternatively, you can check the physical handle itself. Look for the model number printed on the bottom of your toothbrush, usually in the format type, followed by 4 digits and the model designation. For higher-end models like the IO7, IO8, IO9, and IO10, there's a third option. These models feature built-in displays that show model information directly in the on-device settings menu, accessible through the handle's control buttons. These three methods provide reliable ways to identify your Oral-B IO model. The app method is typically the most convenient, while physical inspection works even when your phone isn't available. Knowing your specific Oral-B IO model is crucial for several important reasons. First, it ensures you can purchase the correct replacement parts and accessories for your toothbrush. Second, model identification gives you access to model-specific features and ensures you receive the correct software updates for your device. Good news for brush head replacement. All IO series toothbrushes now use the same universal brush head attachment system introduced in 2023. This means any IO brush head will fit any IO model. However, the models do differ significantly in their features. The key differences include display presence, number of brushing modes, and smart pressure sensor feedback. Display presence is a major differentiator. Models IO4 through IO6 lack displays, while IO7 and higher feature color displays for enhanced user interaction. Brushing modes vary significantly across models. Entry-level models like the IO4 offer 3 brushing modes, while flagship models like the IO9 and IO10 provide 7 or more modes for comprehensive oral care. Smart pressure sensors also differ between models, with premium versions offering more sophisticated visual feedback and coaching features. Premium models often include additional accessories like travel cases with charging capability, making them ideal for frequent travelers. To illustrate these differences, consider the IO4 versus the IO10. The IO4 is an entry-level model with 3 brushing modes and basic app connectivity, perfect for users seeking essential electric toothbrush functionality. In contrast, the IO10 represents the latest flagship model with enhanced AI features, extended battery life, and comprehensive smart guidance for optimal oral care results.